Yo, what up, guys? C Production HD coming to you, talking real quick about the fight that would be Floyd Mayweather against Victor Ortiz, right? Alright. So we have Ortiz, who just came out of basically, a little brawl there with Andre Berto. I had Berto winning. You know, it was kind of bullshit to see Ortiz win because I don't like him. I just don't think he's a good boxer. He's just more of a, he's more of a brawler. He's just gonna go to you and try to hit you and knock you out. It's either he knocks you out, then you knock him right out, and he's not gonna want to fight because he's pussy. He said it himself. I don't deserve to get beat up like this. Shut up, nigga. It's boxing. You know what I mean? In boxing, you're gonna get ass whoopings. You're not gonna win all the time. To hell, if you don't deserve to get beat up, then why are you boxing? In boxing, you will get hit. He said that in the Maidana interview that Max, I think it was Max, I don't remember, did after the fight. And he was like, well, I don't think I deserve to get beat up like this or whatever. That's some bullshit. And Mayweather, who has been in a layoff for almost 2 years. His last fight was against, I don't even remember if it was Marquez or Mosley, man. One of them. I think it was Marquez. I don't remember. I'm sorry, guys. But, he dominated. He dominated every single fight. Every single fight. Except for the Oscar fight and the Zab Judah fight. Those were the two only guys that, gave him an issue. Besides that man has dominated boxing like nobody ever. Pacquiao has dominated boxing. Well, he has, but he cherry picks his opponents, you know what I mean? I'll get into that in another video. But my prediction on Floyd and Victor doesn't like to get hit. He's not going to hit Mayweather. Mayweather's defense is off the hook. Mayweather really fast, great full movement. He's going to use the whole ring. If anybody gets knocked out, it will be Victor. If Victor gets to lay out Mayweather, it will be in the first 4 rounds. After that, Victor has no chance. No chance. I'll give it a unanimous decision win for Mayweather. No doubt. Whoever says Ortiz is going to win is stupid. Oscar De La Hoya, you stupid. Obviously, you're going to say he's going to win because you're promoting him. But you know Mayweather ain't losing. Stupid. Mayweather is winning. Another ridiculous payday for him. And that's how it's going to go, yo. See Production HD. Subscribe, yo. I got a lot more coming. I'm sorry for the shitty quality, but I'm just so anxious to get in here, you know what I mean? Alright, yeah. Peace out, man. Be safe.